So here we are. Valentine's Day is coming up. So we have no idea where to take her. We have no reservations. We couldn't find any. Had no plans. New girlfriend, etc., etc. We can try to make dinner, and you never know, what to do. But today I'm gonna show you how to make this cool steak, and at the same time, she'll be happy you remember Valentine's Day, and you'll be happy because you're having a steak. Come check it out. So here we are, the ribeye. Whenever you get this piece, make sure it's at least inch and a half to 2 inches. No more than 2.5. What we want to do is butterfly this. Make sure you don't go all the way through to the middle. It'll lose its shape. Here it is. Your ribeye heart. Try your best. If you have to, you can shape it out. But in this case, it came out pretty good. Probably cut it here a little more to get them more rounded. Do some salt, pepper. Here, we'll let it rest a few minutes, maybe 10, most 15. You always want that salt to go deep in the meat. And while we wait for that, we can get our grill ready. So here we have steak. Make sure when you put it in, try to keep it as close as together to hold its shape. So it looks like it has a good fire right there. Just keep an eye on it. And while that cooks, we'll start on our sides. Alright, let's go check it out. That looks really good. And don't worry right now about the shape. Once we plate it, you'll see the difference. All right, it's getting pretty close, so we start checking the temperature. It's around 125, 27. It's pretty close. 135. 131. So this is the temperature that I like it. The 135 area. So it's ready to come out. So here are the asparagus that we're doing. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, which is basically a few stalks of asparagus, put some bacon on there, wrap it with bacon, and just grill it until the bacon is crispy. So here you have it. You have the bacon wrapped asparagus, mushroom with cheese, and the heart-shaped steak that we made out of a ribeye. A little flour for decoration, make it special. And hopefully you guys both enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and even comment. See you on the next one.